in airport.
Hello guys.
Hi, get the Philippines.
Where are we going, Lele?
Airport!
Boracay.
Boracay.
Muntik na kami malate. Diyos ko, naligaw kami sa airport. Sa Clark Airport. Oh, Lele, easy. Enjoy watching. Lele, oh. Pasakay na kami ng airplane. Okay po. Wow, Lele! Hi. Papa, ay Lele, oh. Lele.
We have a table.
Are you excited, my love?
Yeah.
Airport. Ayan, hintay lang namin yung luggage namin. Dito lalabas. Hanapin natin yung henan. Okay, sasakay na kami sa transfer. Okay, ayan. Ayan, nakasakay na kami. In the bus na. We're going in the hotel. Ay, hindi. Mag-ano pa tayo, Lele. We will ride a boat. After this one, we will ride a boat. Huh? Okay, nandito na kami sa... Yan, sa transfer. Nasa port na tayo. Okay, andito na kami sa port. Naghihintay kami ng anong susunod na sasakyan. A boat. Okay. See there. Sasakay na kami sa boat. Lele, your tummy. Lababa mo yung shoes. Dito. Lele, dito.
What's that?
Okay, nandito na kami sa hotel. Okay, nandito kami sa Sunnyside Cafe. Breakfast na kami. Ayan ang pagkain nila. Half order lang ng giant pancake pero ang laki. Lele, oh. Let's smile with the pancake. Lele, it's yummy. You like it? How about you? You like your food? Medyo. Me, I like my food. But it's so, so many. I'm so full na.
People love food. Where's Moana?
Ayun!
I want that one too.
Naka-diaper siya.
I wanna be that one too.
Ha? Ayos mo yung hair mo.
I want that too. I want that one too.
Okay. Doon ka na lang. Move ka doon, my love. Here, Lele, oh. Papa, tanggalan mo yung damit mo, Papa. Nahiya pa itong payatot na to. Lele, smile! Ikaw.
Sobrang malinis nila.
Oh, Lele, say hi sa vlog.
Hi, vlog! We're going to the beach.
We're in the beach.
We're in the beach. We have a swimming pool.
That's a seashore.
And the seashore. We have a sand.
What are you doing?
We're in sandcastle.
Wala,
Lele!
Mama,
Ano,
Janet.
buhay ko.
Mama, look.
What's that?
Look. A cast.
Teka mo na
A sand.
tagat yung 75. Issue ka.
Eh, papasok na kami sa room. Come on. Here, here, here. Faster, my love.
Want to swim?
Later, ligo muna tayo. Ang init. Here, Lele, faster. Papa mo, feeling. Ano? Ole, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Wow!
Wow, ganda ng view natin.
Mama, this one is big for you. Mama, this one is for you, mommy. Mama, this one is...
So, ganito yung bathroom namin. Ayan, may shower dito, shower area. Yung toilet, ayan. Tapos, merong bathtub dito. Okay. Ayan. Premier with direct access sa pool. Ayan.
Mommy, come here.
Oh, ang ganda.
Bunny. Mimi, mas here.
Okay. Magsiswimming na kami. Pero,
Nagbuwan namin natin
lagyan ko siya ng sunscreen. Okay, ikaw naman. Sinara ko eh. Ang init pa ng aircon. Oh, binabite yung hands mo.
Where's Papa?
Get yung towel. Swimming kami sa, swimming pool.
Let us swim in the bathtub.
Later, pag maligo tayo.
Can I jump?
No, jumping sa No, ayun si Papa. Hindi malalim? Dito lang kayo, wag sa mainit.
Mommy, I'm swimming like this. Mama, look.
Wow! Ayan, Papa.
Mama, look.
Careful, ah. Wala nagsiswimming, eh.
Mama, this one is for baby. Mama, this is for baby. This is not Papa.
Lala. Pakita ko sa vlog. After po niya mag-swim, natutulog na po siya. Kasi pagod ah. Pagod na to. Ayan o. Kuya Darren.
Look at my toy. Toy.
Wow, who gave that to you?
Mommy.
Wow. Fresh oyster.
Kaya mo lang?
Dito kami sa Epic. Hi guys! Good morning. Say good morning. Lala is eating breakfast. Ayan. Konti lang yung breakfast nila. Saktong mabubusog ka. Pero buffet siya. Ayan. Konti lang yung menu. Ay, anong ulam mo? Anong kinakain mo? Egg and rice. After you eat rice, we will go sa beach, okay? We will look for ice cream. Okay? Ayan. Say good morning, Papa.
Morning.
Andito kami sa Station 1. Sabi nung nagdodrive sa e-bike, maganda dito mas maganda kaysa sa Station 3. Kaya lang tignan nyo naman, ang daming lumot. Doon sa beach kahapon, wala namang ganito eh. Kalumot. Oy, Lele, say hi!
Sa floor.
My love, hi ka, hi! Hi, mami! Ano mo yung ano niya? Yung kopya niya? Nasa kanya? Bakit? Lala! Layo. Ang layo. Zoom. Paano ba yung zoom? Ang linaw ng water. Kaya lang ang dumi-dumi. May paganyan. Ayun sila. Oh, nagpipicture sa kayak. Layo. Ala, saan sila pupunta? Hindi masyadong mainit ngayon, kaya okay siya. Kahapon ang init. Ayan. Oh, yun sila oh. Hindi ko ma-zoom. Ayan na sila. What are you saying? You're so cute.
Kaya may bang yung sila.
Okay, mag-island hopping kami.
Balan na tayo, balan. Balan.
Yan, safe naman daw to. Tsaka mababaw lang daw yung tubig. No. Lala, you're not scared? I'm not. Ayan, yung Crocodile Island. Naka-shape siyang parang crocodile. Ayan, dito yung pwede mag-snorkeling. Mababaw lang. There's a lot of fishes. Oh, Lele.
Kaya kung tinapay, ma'am, nalutang talaga sila. Hindi tinapay eh.
Sayang, hindi ako nagdala. Sayang.
Hindi kaya sinabihan niya, no?
Hindi. Biglaan din kasi. Magaling siya magsalita.
Bilis eh, no?
Dala. Say hi.
Hi. The fish I bite you.
No.
Don't not.
Magsiswimming daw si snorkeling.
I'll swim.
Careful lang na rin.
Ligo ka?
Ligo pa daw dali.
Ito yung
Opo. Please, nilexil mo kayo. Baka mama yung ano mo dun, sir. Yung mo dito ka. Dito mo. Hey.
Oy, wait lang, bibidyo kita. Okay. Babaw lang. Malalim.
Ito nga rin ah.
Kami lang ito, sir.
Chinese po siya.
To swim, Papa? Papa, you don't like na?
Lala, what are you doing?
Feeding a fish.
Ano yung food?
Oil. Look at my fish.
Good job, Lala. You will sacrifice your Oreo for your fish?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Wow.
Balik dito sir, walang masyadong
I
ilong.
want to try again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Wow. Ayan na si Papa. Tapos na.
Okay. This one. 1, 2, 3.
There's a hole. Ito pala yung new coast. Nahiwalay siya. Yeah. So beautiful. That's the Puka Beach. Tapos na kami mag-island hopping. Worth it naman yung binayad. So, Lalay, say hi guys!
Hi guys.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa Ice Flakes. I-eat kami ng ice cream. Yung best seller nila na coconut and mango. Para siyang bingsu. Wow, yummy! This is coconut and this is mango. Lala, play bubbles. Why? Oh, it's our last day today. Tomorrow, uuwi na kami. Ano, babalik ba tayo dito? Nag-enjoy naman kami. Kaya lang dapat mag-ipon. Ang daming gastos dito. Kada tanong may bayad. Ano ba yan? Lele! Ayan po siya. Pag di po siya nagsiselfone, sigaw na sigaw. Lele. Ayan, Tata Say. Watching siya, oh. Alam. Kiss Mommy and Papa. Did you have fun today, my love, and yesterday? Nag-enjoy ka?
Yeah.
What did you say kay Papa for our Boracay vacation?
Papa.
What did you say, Pa?
Thank you, Papa.
And?
Love you, Papa.
Kiss mo! Wow! Oh, what will you say kay Papa? Ayan, isa pang nabudol. Ha? It's our last day today. Ano na namin mamaya, check out na namin mamaya. Ayun sila, nag-enjoy. Yeah. Yeah. You're so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Lala, hi.
Yeah, hi.
What are you doing? You want to swim?
No.
Come on.
What's that?
Ha? Hindi makita yung face mo. Isin natin yung ano.
Mama! Mike!
Oh! Ayun si Papa.
Go there! Papa, you can't go there! Come here, Papa! Nana! It's not working! It's not working! It's not working!
What will you do?
I want to use a net.
Are you use a net?
Yeah.
How?
This. Hi, we're in the beach. And we have a Boracay.
What happened? Ha? Lala, bigyan mo na sa kanila, no? We'll go home na eh. Hindi ka pinabawi. Ha, Lala? Please buy another one na lang. Ha? Okay? Oh, let's go na. Let's go back to the hotel.
Ang the Playmore!
Keep mo sa ngayon, keep.
Why? Why, Lala?
I want to get my toy back.
Ilan taon na siya? Ilan taon na to? 4? Ah, kapara si Lele. Why? You let them borrow your toy.
Ilang taong ka na? Panggawa. Mami, I'll get it.
De, hiram nila, hiram. Borrow sila, borrow.
Bata?
Okay.
Why? What will you tell to them?
More toys.
Ah?
More toy back.
Lele, wala, go home na. Ay, hiram mo na, no?
No, I want the Playmore.
We will be late.
No, I want the Playmore.
Say bye-bye, Boracay.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe.